Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Well, it's nighttime over here where I'm at. I'm going to go ahead and record this video and then post it later. Tonight, I'm going to show you guys the rock lights that I put on my semi. This is an 8-pack from Mick Tuning RGB LED rock lights. And they've been on here for quite a while now, but I'm just now deciding to do a video. Let's see. Now, when you go on your phone, I have an Android, of course. So when you go to your phone, you click the M light app, and it shows a little cool picture of a Hummer and everything. Now, this is the color spectrum that you can use. Now, it has pretty much every color that you could think of in the rainbow. It does not play multiple colors at the same time. It also has a feature here to where you could play music, and the music will also, you know, correlate with the lights and how they flash. You know, I guess they flash according to the tempo and everything. But I've never used that feature. I'm really kind of limited to how I could use these lights since they're on a semi, and it's a DOT violation depending on what colors I use. So usually I use colors like red. I might use like a purple, or every now and then a green. But the purple, these three right here, these colors of purple right here, they show up the best at nighttime because they're real violent and they just spread out the best. Now, red is a safe color if you're just driving down the road and you're not really planning on having any encounters with the police or anything. That's the best color. Now, I'm gonna tell you, now, me just being me, and I have to try things and just be defiant sometimes, I used the blue one time, but I got a DOT violation for it. When I went through the scale, they gave me a warning on my inspection, which did not give me a clean inspection. So what I'm about to do is now I'm about to go outside, and I'm just going to show you guys how everything works, and you know, the different color choices that you can use for it. Okay, as you can see now, I have it on the blue. I have them mounted in different locations along the truck, along the battery box here, and then I also have them here as well. Like I said, they've been on here for a while. My cousin Antonio and DJ, they helped me put them on, and so far they've been working pretty great. Here's the app again. So see how they changed the red, purple, green, and all the other colors that you may want to have. Now, they also have some pre-assigned colors, so they just kind of flash and alternate on their own to different colors. And like I said, it's an 8-pack, so all 8 of them correlate together. Now, if you want to go to more of an aggressive one, then that's what you would use. And see how that also works as well. But I definitely do not recommend you do that going out on the road. And see, that's this one as well. And they flash. I have a lot of truck drivers asking me questions about them over the CB radio, and everybody think that they're kind of cool because they've never seen rock lights on a semi. And basically, I mean, like I told them, you just buy the kit. It comes with everything you need. Only thing I had to buy was a couple of extra wires to ground them in on the battery, and I also put a switch on them as well, just in case for an emergency if I have to switch them off or anything. Which, I mean, you can switch it off on the app, but it's also best just to have a switch on it as well, you know, to cut everything off, and just like that, they're off. But you go back to it. Now, like I said, like this, the purple is my favorite one, and as far as you go over, the brighter it gets. But whenever I use a color like purple, I try to keep it on a lower setting, because I mean, the lower the setting is, the kind of better it looks. It's kind of more violent, kind of more vibrant at nighttime. And let me walk back some. Yes. Okay. So like I said, I have an 8-pack. So I have, of course, 4 on this side, the wheel wells, battery box on the fuel tank, and on my catwalk back there. Then I go to the other side, and of course it's the same thing: wheel well, steps, tank, and of course catwalk. And there you have it, the Rock Lights by Lights. And this is the app right there. And I thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I put this sticker on my trunk for my Instagram. I kind of messed it up a little bit because I'm not a professional sticker person. It looks better on this side than it does on the other side, because the other side I just completely goofed that one up. But I have some extras that I am going to put on, you know, to kind of straighten them out, because this side was nearly perfect, but as you see, I messed up the D on it. And I guess you guys still kind of get the point on what my name is, but truckerdude_XXL on all social media, Instagram, YouTube, and I want to say Snapchat. But thank you guys, and you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.
You can't get paid for this kind of shit.
Hey, Tay fixing on my rig, y'all.
Man, fuck your rig. DJ, quit fucking playing hell. I'm already stuck in this bitch. You want to play hell. I got that nigga. Damn. How I get at this motherfucker? Damn. Jamal, sidewalk. On 3, 2.
Y'all don't put these lights on the truck. Feel like a goddamn disco ball going down the goddamn road.